Okay, so let's have a look at this household budget. So Fiona and Neil have prepared a budget for the first 4 months of 2019. They've partly completed budget form is shown on the next page. So here we'll see the partially completed budget for their income. And we have total income A, 3,700, 3,700 for February, 3,800 for March, and 3,800 for April, with a total amount of 15,000. So we have to fill up their planned expenditure: fixed, irregular, discretionary, and then savings. So it says Fiona and Neil pay €820 each month for their mortgage, and this will decrease by €30 from the 1st of February. So it's going to be €820 for January, and it's going to decrease then by 30 for the next 4 months, next 3 months. So it's going to be 820 minus 30, so it's going to be 790 for February, for March, and for April. Add up your total and you get 3,190. Their house insurance premium is 420 per year. So you have to find this per month. We're going to divide 420 by 12. And that will give us the monthly payment for house insurance. So it's €35 for 4 months. So that's going to give us 140. Car insurance then is 500 in February. Just put 500 in February. And then add up your totals for January. So 855, 1,325, 825, and 825. So just adding up these three figures here to get your totals. Going down, and you're going to add up the totals going across then for each month to get your total. So with these 3 here going across, 4 here going across to get 140, and then it's just 500. That's for your fixed. Your irregular then. So household costs are estimated to be 1,400 per month, except in April when it will be 12% less. So it's going to be 1,400 for each month. So we get the April. And in April then it's going to be 10% less. So find 10%, so it's going to be 1,260. Different ways you can find this. So it's going to be 10% less. So instead of being 100%, I'm going to get 90. You could multiply 1,400 by 10 and then take your answer away from 1,400. The car running costs are 120 per month. Just going to put 120 in for each month. Your public transport then is 80 for Neil for each month. So it's going to go in for each month, 80. Your light and heat then, so in January is 150, and 110 in March, and then 230 then in February. So you're going to add that going across and you're going to get 490. So 150, 230, and 110. Your telephone, then it will be 80 per month. I think there's an error in the papers themselves in relation to that, so I'll just fix that. And then you're going to add up these four, just this section, to get your subtotal. So 1,000 or 1,400, 120, 80, 150, and 80 gives us 1,830. 1,400, 120, 80, 230, and 80 gives us 1,910. And the same then, you're just going to add these down to get your subtotals. And you're going to add across then to get your total column. So each one of these four figures going across, add up to get your total column. Presents then, we're 70 in March. So just going to put 70 in March and add up your total. Entertainment then, it's going to be 300 per month, and there'll be an extra 200 in April. So we're going to add 300 and 200 to get the extra amount. So that's going to be your subtotals then for each one. Just going to add them up, down and around. Savings then, 700 per month. So you have 500 already. That's for the question. So I'm just going to put 700 in. and then it's going to total up across. So to get your total expenditure, we need to add our subtotals for fixed, subtotals for irregular, subtotals for discretionary, and don't forget your savings. And you're going to add them up together. So 855 plus 1,830 plus 300 plus 500. And you're just going to add them up for each year across and also for your total column. Your net cash then is your A, so it's going to be your income, take away from your expenditure. It's going to take each one of those away from each other. And you're going to find the total for each column going across. So we don't have any opening cash in this question. So just going to put 0 in. So that's going to give us 215. So remember, your closing cash for 1 month is the opening cash for next. We have a minus figure in February, so we spent too much. So our closing cash then is going to be reduced. So you're going to reduce your net cash, which is minus 5,330. We have 215 in our bank account, so it's going to be minus 320. So that's your closing cash for 1 month. Opening cash for the next. We have 115 in there, so the minus figure is going to be reduced to minus 205. Then in April, then we got a plus balance of 235. Take away the minus figure of 205. So at the end of the month, we're going to have €30 left over. So we need to check our total column, and our total column should be the same. So if we take 5,000 or 15,000 away from 4,970, we get 30. We don't have any opening cash, so it's 0. So 30 and 30, the two of them balance, so you know we have it correct. So I hope this helps you out when you are revising or when you're answering the budget for the household.